Okay, let's now look at the benefit of UIF. Types of benefit paid out by UIF, that when can you go and claim your UIF. Unemployment benefit, when you are out of job. Employees who become unemployed, retrenched due to restructuring and expired contracts may claim within 6 months after becoming what? Unemployed. So when you lose your job due to all those factors that I've mentioned, you can go and claim your UIF. Unemployed employees may only claim if they contributed to UIF. So if you have not been contributing to UIF, there's no way you can go to UIF and claim. And how do you know you're contributing? You will actually see it in your pay slip as an employee, because you will see what was being deducted in your salary and what goes to UIF every month. If a worker voluntarily terminates his or her contract, he or she may not claim. Please make a note. If a worker voluntarily terminates his or her contract, he or she may not claim. Like, oh, I'm tired of working up early in the morning, I don't think I need this job. No, you cannot go to UIF and claim. And there's one thing I want to say about UIF. I think before I finish the lesson, it should just pop up in my mind. And what other reasons what are the other reasons for you to go to UIF and claim? Number 2, we have illness benefit. Remember, when people are sick, they will definitely be out of work. They will be out of job. Employees may receive this benefit if they are unable to work for more than 14 days without receiving a salary or a part salary. A part salary may be giving you half salary. That is what it means. So in a situation whereby you're sick, maybe you go for an operation and the doctor actually puts you up for like 3 weeks for recovery, and the business is not giving you any income or any salary, rather, you're not earning any income, the business is not giving you any salary, then you can go and claim at UIF. Number 3, during the time of maternity, which is for the women, pregnant employees receive benefit for up to 17 weeks and 4 months. That is also broke down into 121 days. That is, if someone is pregnant, obviously you will be out of job, and legitimately you need to be out of job for 4 months, 2 months before you give birth and 2 months after you give birth. If a person has a miscarriage, she can claim for up to 6 weeks or 42 days. So now you can see it's actually covering people that has miscarriage, and to me this is kind of new. If a person has a miscarriage, she can claim for up to 6 weeks or 42 days. I'm sure you know what miscarriage means. And number 4 benefits it has, that when can you go and claim an adoption benefit. When you're talking of adoption, this is when an employee adopts a child that is younger than 2 years old. Employees may receive this benefit if they adopt a child that is younger than 2 years old. Because when you adopt a new child, a baby, you need time to bond with that child. So which means the child still needs to get used to you. And from there, you will be out of job. And in a situation whereby you're out of job, you can actually go to UIF and get a claim. Employees who take unpaid leave may receive part of their salary while caring for the child at home. So some people get unpaid leave, some people don't get any, depends on the business. But in a situation whereby you don't have any source of income during the time of adoption of a new child, you can actually go to UIF and claim. And lastly, the last benefit is a dependent benefit. When you're talking about a dependent benefit, it actually goes to a situation whereby when it results into the death of an employee in the workplace. Dependents may apply for this benefit if the breadwinner can be anyone, it can be a dad, it can be a mom, who has contributed to the UIF dies. So even people that are still in the job, in a situation whereby they actually die, the contribution they've made to UIF can be claimed by the dependent. The spouse of the deceased may claim whether he or she is employed or not. So those are the 5 benefits of UIF. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the situation whereby you are unemployed, you can go and claim. In the situation of illness or sickness, you can claim. The maternity benefit, you can claim. During the time of adoption, adoption, you can claim. And also, if a breadwinner dies in the family, the dependent can also go and claim from UIF. So far, we've looked at the compulsory and the non-compulsory insurance. I'm just doing a recap. We've looked at the differences between the two. We've looked at the types of compulsory insurance and the different types of non-compulsory insurance, and looking at unemployment insurance as its own. It has a lot of benefit which employee can actually benefit from. So far so good. We're done with the topic insurance, and we've also did securities, and in my next lesson I will be starting a new topic, and I hope you're watching the videos, you're making down notes. I need questions, clarity, contributions, and yeah, I'll speak to you tomorrow.